can't have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I will be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure why in my heart I still feel fire. Anything that has been done to fix it, and why it takes so long, why it takes so long, why it takes so long, why it takes so long. Peace of mind is ruled by fear. We almost found the elixir, and people say that someday you will lose your mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. You don't
Thanks for
have
watching.
to feel
Leave a like and share with your friends if you enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe.
To